So I'm out here today looking at a local hospital on site, and we're assessing their janitorial storage and chemical preparation area. They've detected some Drummy tiles. So I'm going to bring the chain out today, drag it along, and let's see what the extent of the damage is, and of course work out what we need to do. So let's get into it. So we're looking through this particular space, quite typical of any of these sort of janitorial areas. We can see that the tiles have been loose and damaged in different places, so it's obvious that we've got localized problems. Now the client wanted to do partial repairs, of course, and the reason for me bringing the chain was so that I could assess it in a more thorough way, and then we'd be able to determine what was going to have to be lifted.
They've given us a couple of
That could sound hollow for a few reasons, but okay, so we've come back into the office after that report, and you could see when you're looking at the video there that, and you could hear it in particular, there's areas that sound solid, and then there's areas that even though they actually look sealed as though the tiles are intact, you can hear that it's hollow. You know that it's a problem. And my general approach to these sorts of floors is if that 10% of the floor sounds drummy, sounds hollow, then by the time you rip that up and do a patch or even continue to prep, more areas are going to let go just by vibration or whatever it is that is taking place when you're ripping up those tiles. So you can tell on that floor it's certainly more than 10%. My recommendation was that we remove all the tiles, including the coving tiles, right back to that doorway entrance. And by doing so, the chances are you're going to have to reset the falls there too, because that drumminess could be because the tile glue has been used to set falls, and you don't know until you rip up the tiles. So anyway, that's the exercise of using a chain on Drummy tiles, and I hope that was of use to you. So I'm ResinJack, as always. Take care and keep smiling.